in the near future, I would like to really bring a series of videos, a series of financial videos that you, the listener, the viewer, will find tremendously profitable and beneficial and educational. I want to expose the entire financial and investment analysis industry and bring truly free and useful advice to the broad public. But before I engage in this ambitious project, I want to bring up a related topic, and that is that there are a lot of what I view as charlatan industries, scam industries that are sending out a tremendous amount of advertising and marketing and junk mail and all this stuff, promoting so-called algorithms that are able to provide you consistent profitability in the investment and capital markets. I've looked through, for my own curiosity, I've looked through so many of these so-called methodologies, and I've been to quite a few seminars of companies, of financial analysis companies that promote these, so-called algorithmic trading methodologies, and listen to what they had to offer. For example, I received this email, or excuse me, not an email, a post mail from a very popular company. This company, it advertises a lot, at 2 o'clock in the morning. That right there, by the way, speaking of 2 o'clock in the morning, if a company is advertising success on Wall Street at 2 o'clock in the morning, your time, your local time, that right there is a major red flag, okay? Anyhow, so here's the first promise. Use market timing for any asset class or time frame from short-term to retirement planning. Learn how you can use market timing to make income in any market condition. Learn how you can apply a simple rules-based trading strategy to any asset class to pick low-risk, high-potential entry and exit points with a high degree of accuracy. Identifying points where supply and demand are out of balance and price is about to move. Understanding the two common mistakes of the novice trader that may be costing you money and how to avoid them. Why you should build a personal trading plan and stick with it. Learn how to avoid losing money, i.e. risk management. Learn how to think and act like big banks and institutions that are making millions of dollars every day in the markets. Lots of promises. And let me be the first to tell you, if anybody else has not told you, that all of these promises are based on total and utter bull crap. And this is not me trying to denigrate the competition. I have been to the seminars that this company, that this unnamed company, have hosted many times for my own personal edification. And there are people that, may not be privy to all of the financial details and nuances. And what this company does is they try to intimidate you with a lot of language, lexicon of capital investments. And it sounds very impressive. That's how they sucker you in. Let me tell you that it is all gamesmanship. At the end of the seminar, they will ask you to pay upwards of $5,000, $6,000 to learn this exclusive system of trading, because when you pay this amount of money, it is not paying, it is actually an investment. You're investing in yourself. If you invest $5,000 or $6,000 right here, right now, you will make $15,000 months later. And then $150,000 a year later, something like that. Okay, so it's like, oh, okay, yeah, that's a great return on my investment. No. Let me tell you, a better return on investment is all of this information is freely available. It is freely. Every single promise that this company has made, it is freely available, and I will go through list by list all of these things for free. I will not charge you $5,000. I will not charge you $1,000. I will not charge you $100. I won't even charge you a single dollar. I won't charge you a single penny. I will give you all of this information for free. For free. All right? I'm going to give it to you for free because what really makes me angry is that none of this information is special or exclusive or proprietary. And this so-called algorithm, this algorithm is a complete joke. This algorithm from this unnamed company, I will actually teach you line by line how to build your own algorithm. If they say that this algorithm costs $6,000. Just give me a few minutes of your time, just a few minutes of your time, and I will show you how you can build your own algorithm. You don't need any special tools. I can just, we can go through it with a Microsoft Excel workbook. I kid you not. We will dissect their so-called precious proprietary algorithm. So, look forward to that. Again, it's a kind of an ambitious project. It's gonna take a while, but yeah, I'm really jazzed about this, and I think you guys are gonna find tremendous value. If anything, there's gonna be some of you. I just saved you $5,000 or $6,000. You're welcome.